SkippyDeeDooDah May 7th Awareness Plus Fundraiser Skip-a-thon to benefit and restore the survivors of child sex trafficking. Join the fun. Skip, walk, run, or roll down Lakewood Ranch Main Street to the finish line feast of McGrath's Irish Ale House. Guest speakers include investigative journalists, filmmakers, trafficked survivors, and aftercare experts to clarify the factual atrocities of these crimes against children. Hear from survivors and founders of Bikers Against Trafficking, Out of Shadows documentary creator Mike Smith, journalist broadcaster Mel Kay, all emceed by Melissa of the Freedom Force Battalion. And we know others that fight that may attend. Let's show up and speak up for the children that do not have a voice to defend themselves. Saturday, May 7th in Sarasota, Florida. Register or donate at SkippyDeeDooDah.com. Show your support by skipping for those that skipped an innocent childhood. Register or donate at SkippyDeeDooDah.com. And see you in Sarasota May 7th.